Okay, yes, I know all of us are lying. We did not just wake up with the camera on our face, but honestly, glory be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I woke up like 20 minutes ago and I was like, why not just record you waking up? So many things are going on. I have a lot of activities today. I can't film everything because I'm making food, like large batch of food. So I'm just getting in the shower straight now before eating anything. This is very realistic, by the way. And then what else? Oh my god, I need to change the sheets. And oh no, I have to do kabbasa. Y'all know what kabbasa is, right? Like, I always do it with my clothes and sheet immediately after they're brought in from laundry, but I skipped that routine and now I would have to do it before I put in the sheets. Anyways, let's get into the shower. Well, we're not going together obviously, but let me just take a shower and I will think of what to do next, inshallah. So yeah, honestly, anything you do while filming takes time. So I just want to show you how I do my bed sheets. So the first things first, let me just take this away. Okay, this is what my mom does. I see people using humra, but she uses oil perfume. I just want to drop some. And this is the bedspread I'm using. I'm just scared of this fire. Pillowcases, and I always do it inside out because oil perfume, maybe one skin can react to it. So I'm using this caramel body oud by Abdul Samad Al Quraishi. The oil perfume lasts longer. And I always take the hijab I pray with for the week or for the month, and I just put it on top. I also bring another praying mat. You can put as many clothes as you can. You can even put 100 clothes, honestly. The fun part, I always use sandal. Like, sandal is my go-to perfume. So nice. It's good for the clothes, good for the home, good for the body. And I just take this much, and you would want to use less heat, so I'm using magic coal. Okay, put that, and you just want to, you know, and I always like giving like a bit of space for it to air out. And yeah, I'm going to leave this for like an hour before I finish the rest of my chores. Even our like dirty laundry smells so good, because even our laundry guy will always say, oh my lord, like how do you keep your sheets, your clothes smelling really nice, even, you know, after using multiple times? And it's thanks to oil perfume and a really good bakhur. Like if you do this a lot, your clothes, you don't even have to wear perfume honestly, because you always smell nice as long as you have good hygiene tips. Yeah. So yeah, if you wonder why I still keep it close to the new one, it's because it smells more nice.
Not just summer, but just any day, but summer specifically. And I know this probably seems like overkill, but to me it definitely helps. I will go in with my vitamin E oil, because one of the things that I want is after I have done all the work in the shower and after the shower, you don't want your scent to just go away. You want it to last for a good few hours. But just to kind of keep layering and make sure that my scent does stay, or scent profile as well. So I will go in with this, like I said, just to keep in the moisturization of it all. So we've gone through shower routine.
I think I deserve this because I have been working so hard today. This is an excuse, but this is one of my weaknesses right from childhood. Fura de nono. Oh Lord of mercy. The Fulani in me would not let me be great. But this is what I'm having for lunch, and I'm also having some pasta. Let's do this in Hausa. So inaga zan iya dama hura da nono idona a rufe, saboda yanda kullun sai na dama ma babana, kullun tunda na girma na iya rike ludayi da ƙwarya, to ko da yaushe sai na dama mai fura. Baya iya rayuwa ba fura, alhamdulillah. So ni kuma ni na biyo shi, amma wannan weakness ne because bai kamata ba, shi baya ki ba, amma ni abu kaɗan zan yi jiki. To ga dai shi nan, amma yau kawai na ce rana zan sha damn the consequences, but I'm gonna take my fura. Zan iya shan furan nan safe rana dare ba tare da ya ginshe ni ba ko kaɗan. Zan iya shan shi wata da watanni bai ginshe ni ba. Kun ganni a nan. In dai kuka bani wannan to gaskiya a rana kun gama mini komai. How did I do? So what are we making today? I decided to finally, you know, record myself, film myself while making Warak Inab, so that I can share to my Instagram family and to you as well. So I'm gonna try. I don't know if I can record it for both, honestly. I don't have an editor, I don't have, you know, an assistant, so probably I will just share the reel with you so that you can view it and see the, you know, finished products. But these are the ingredients. I'm making it vegetarian today. I am making it vegetarian today, so just the grape leaves, tomato, parsley, coriander, seasoning, pomegranate molasses, olive oil, and some, you know, we're Nigerians, onion and pepper. So Assalamu alaikum, friends. So yes, I know I am looking what I've been through, I'm so tired. Content creation is not easy, I would always say that, but finally I am done. I just finished making Warak Inab and I'm gonna post it today as well. This is pomegranate molasses, fresh garlic. You do not have to, you know, eat it with fresh garlic or pomegranate molasses, but I don't mind the combination. You can just eat it as a side dish as well, you know, as a side. You can even eat it with more rice, pasta, anything vulgar. Yeah, it is so yum. Bismillah. Just the right amount of tanginess, salt, everything. It's so nice. So yeah, it's actually not hard to make as well when you're doing it regularly. It's so simple. You can be just watching a movie, rolling it up, and you can freeze them before cooking. So each time you want to whip it up, you just bring it out of the freezer. You don't even need to defrost it for a really long while and you cook it. So yeah, I hope you like this and make sure you give it a try when you watch the video. Okay, bye. I'm tired. Oopsie, 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 oopsie. Okay, I've not really forgotten about you. Like, I've just been so busy, like so busy. Today's Friday and I am so happy that it's finally end of the week and I can, you know, rest for a bit, because this week has been hell. I haven't really vlogged a day in this week, like a day, because at work it was just too much for me, and you know, I was just, you know, on a burnout stage, and I just needed, you know, to take a minute with the vlogging and whatnot. But you know, I'm gonna try and edit, like, I don't know, but I'm just tired. And you know, Saturdays and Sundays are the days you would go maybe do your hair, you know, laundry, groceries, take the kids to, you know, play dates, you know, friend dates, solo dates, lovers day, whatever you can call it. I asked once on my Instagram, I was like, when does this end? When does it really end? But it doesn't. Alhamdulillah, we're grateful, we're healthy, you know, we're alive, we're thriving, but it's just not easy. And balancing my content creation, work and life, it takes a toll on me sometimes. But alhamdulillah, today was a really good day. I worked a lot. Like I was telling one of my colleagues, like I was saying, I worked for twice my salary today. I am overworked and underpaid, but alhamdulillah. And yeah, today one of our colleagues, we have two departments in my division, which is the finance division. So the other department, that's our sister department, one of our colleagues, senior colleagues, was retiring, and you know, we all pitched in, gathered some money. We didn't want to do something like over the top outside the office, so we did something intimate within his own office, you know, did a bit of decoration, bought food, you know, snacks for people, you know, called the ESCO members. It was really nice and intimate, and you know, it's just good to be good. He's really such a good gentleman. I think his family are abroad, but his wife flew in. He's gonna join them, yes, and it's just, you know, makes me, you know, take a minute, and hopefully inshallah one day that would be me. I was so happy for him. He was healthy. He is healthy, you know, strong, you know, retiring strong, walking on your 2 feet, like alhamdulillah. 60 years nowadays, say shukran. Yeah, like it's beautiful. So yeah, I will show you a bit of clips and whatnot, but I just, you know, wanted to give you guys an update to know that I have not forgotten you. You're my babies. So thank you so much, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. You know, give it a thumbs up, leave a beautiful comment, and I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow maybe I'm gonna go to the salon, do my hair, because it's been 3 weeks, so I need to go do my hair. And I don't know, yeah, maybe grocery shopping, maybe food. I don't know what's gonna happen. Where is Daniel? Yes, so hi. Come out. Let's dance and make this place lively. Please stand up. Good morning, dear colleagues. Thank God for this wonderful Friday. The day the Lord has made, and say we rejoice and be glad in it. We're here to celebrate our very dear, quiet one, full of wisdom, Ogasabiki Ugedewe. I will thank God for the life he has lived. Our accounts, our very dear Pastor Ime Odofia. Thank you.
Odogu, Otuba himself, he refused to take it. I salute you. I commend that, sir.
Happy retirement.
He believes that all of us played a very significant role in getting the commission to what it is today. And we appreciate every one of us for all the sacrifices, particularly at the very beginning.
Hello, my name is Jane. I'm Amina's very beautiful friend, and I'm a #1 fan. Please follow and subscribe to all our channels. Mwah!